moments in life when the world feels too loud, when the weight of responsibilities presses in from all sides and the soul longs for quiet. Today is one of those days. And so, I walk into a close-by forest where time slows and the earth breathes in rhythms older than memory. This forest may be shaped by human hands, but nature still whispers here through the rustle of leaves and the stream that carves its own story in stone. Welcome to nomadic calm, your moment of pause. The path beneath my feet is uneven, covered with damp leaves and scattered stones. Each step is deliberate, unhurried, as if the forest itself is asking me to tread gently, to listen. Let's take a moment together. Breathe in and out. Feel your feet grounded. Let your thoughts drift, like fish swimming with the current. Do you have a favorite quote about mindfulness or slowing down? Share it below. You never know who might need to read it today. You don't have to do anything right now, just be. Just exist in this space. These pitcher plants, their curved bodies standing like quiet sentinels, their deep, hollow chambers filled with the secrets of the forest, makes me think they are patient, waiting, knowing that not everything is meant to be chased. Sometimes what we need comes to us in its own time. A stream carves its way through some rocks. The water is clear, moving effortlessly, adapting to every twist, every obstacle. It does not resist the rocks, nor does it try to force its way through. Instead, it flows around them, shaping them over time, soft yet powerful. I find a small pond, its surface still except for the quiet movement of fish below. They glide with an elegance that seems almost effortless, undisturbed by the ripples they create. Watching them, I realize something. The pond does not ask them to be anything other than what they are. It simply holds space for them to exist, to move, to live. Perhaps in our own way, we are all looking for a place like this. As I was leaving, I just happened to see a rooftop garden. Quiet, blooming, alive. Someone had built a little world above the world. Ferns leaned into the sky. Flowers nodded softly in the breeze. And right there, in the middle of the city, above all the noise, was peace. It felt like the forest had followed me, found a new home in this floating patch of green. A reminder that nature isn't just out there. It can be carried with us, even into the sky. I sat for a while on the soft grass. Before you scroll on pause, breathe. You've just given yourself a gift. Stillness.